Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Well, we have a lot to go through today. We're going to be looking at the S&P, which is on the chart right now. It's a daily close-only chart of the S&P 500 going back to June. You can see yesterday we had a signal on the weekly to exit long positions. Now we think this is serious. Now you can get signals and you say to yourself, well, should I stay in? Should I get out? It's just a blip. No, this is a signal. It's indicate if this market was so strong, it should never have occurred, but it did occur. And the reality is we could see this market trading back down to some of the Fibonacci levels, which we already have drawn into the chart itself. So you can see they come in right here. This is 61.8%. That's 1942. 50% right here is 1967, and 38% is 1991. I think we could get down to these levels without too much trouble. I think there's going to be a lot of stuff coming out of Greece, which I think is just a powder keg ready to explode. Nothing's changed there. They just piled more debt onto more debt, and they still have the same problems they had several years ago. So that's something to be really concerned about. Let's go on. This is a chart of corn. It's a candlestick chart. This is our last buy position right here, and that was at 391. Market's currently trading at 93.25. So we have about 2.25 cents profit, and not a lot, about $125. So not a lot of profit there yet, but we've done very well in this market. So let's move on to our next market. This is wheat. You can see we're long wheat from right. Let's just put our. We've got our weekly and our monthly, so you can see we've really caught some nice moves in wheat. Going along from this point, 559.50. We exited that position today at 583. That's a very nice profit of around $1,200, $1,300. And we are on the sidelines right now because we have a conflict between the trend, which is the month, which is the weekly, and the daily. So we're out of the market right now in this particular market. Looking at soybeans, we just had a new weekly today, which means we went long today at 1,059. You see it right there. So we're going to hold that position, and you'll see some new stops in our portfolio tonight for that position. This is crude oil. We got short crude oil right here at 75.62 on the 25th of November. We've actually rode this all the way down, but our last signal was 20 at 75.62. It's currently trading at 60.77. So you can see right there, we've actually got almost $15,000 profit. So that's gone up dramatically today with this new low in crude oil. On gold, we got long yesterday at 12.08. It's currently trading at 12.32. So we've got a nice profit in that position, around about $2,200 on the portfolio. So again, looks good. We trade that with the weekly and the daily. So you can see the last signal is 12.08. The weekly came in at 12.07. So again, we're doing really, really well in that particular market. Lastly, we're going to look at the dollar index. Now we trade this a little bit differently. We trade the weekly as the timing and the monthly for the trend. So we've been long this market. Let's just put a simple line chart on, and let's just take this off and this off, and let's just put the monthlies on, and let's go all the way. We have to get out and go back quite a ways. There's the last monthly we had here at 80.59, currently trading at 88, and that's about $8,000, $9,000 profit in this one position. If you just look at it, how we've traded it. Now we've used the weekly for timing, so we've had a couple of weeklies come in right there and right here. So last position was 80.40, currently trading 88.42. That's $8,000 profit in this market. This is all using the World Cup portfolio, which you have total access to. We give you the signals every day. We're not making this up. We don't look back and say, well, you should have bought it here, you should have sold it here, buy here. No, we give you the signals every single day. It's done extremely well, and it doesn't correlate to stocks. That's the other great thing. This is Apple. You can see we got long Apple. Our last position is 102.38. We exited this position at 111.27. Market's currently at 113.61, a little bit higher, but this should not have occurred. The signal came in. You can't ignore these signals when they come in. Otherwise, you try second guessing yourself, and that's not the way to do it successfully. So look at this signal right here, 97.79. Okay, the market went sideways for like 6 weeks. Did you want to tie your money up for 6 weeks going nowhere? Then finally, when it did turn around, you turned around and you got long. You only lost a little bit of the move, just a few dollars, but you caught the big part of the move, and that's the important thing. You got long at 102. You made like a $10 profit on this position, not $10 or $9 profit on this position, and you're out. So on the sidelines with Apple right now. Now here's the stock we like. We think this is really doing well. I'm going to scope this in closer and show you the formation that we like for this. Actually, I'm going to go out and show you the formation we like. And I'm going to take the triangles off, and you can see this is a really, what I like about this, we talked about this, we had a special report on this before, is you've got this really big base. You've broken over the resistance, which is right here. You can see I'm drawing that across. We tested the resistance. We're going to see this market go higher. This particular stock's HCP, which is a hospital service stock company, is owned by a lot of the billionaire hedge fund managers. This, I think, is a slam dunk. It's going to be slow, but it is going to go higher. This is a great base for it to go higher. We talked about going from 36 up to, this is 44, so that's $8. We can see 52 to 54 on this, and that takes us right back up to where we were right here. So, hey, I hope this helped. Adam Hewison from Market Club. Don't forget, we have a special for members to re-up on your membership. You get some tremendous savings. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great trading day, everyone.